Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will go to settings. In this list, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Sketchbook, like this. Here on this page, you will click on First Stop. As you see here, then, sorry, not here. You click on First Stop. And you can click OK, then you can go to storage, and here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.